day, Mr. Track had called all the engines in the yard. All of them were anxious to know why he had called them here. He usually did not call them like this. Soon, Dum Dum the Diesel came. Hello, Dum Dum. Hi, Toby. Why do you think Mr. Track has called us over here?
But whatever he's called us for, it's very important.
Oh, how do you know that he has called us for something important? Just then Mr. Track arrived.
Oh, hello, engines.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, yes. Good afternoon, engines.
Why have you called us here, sir? Asked Toby.
Toby, I've got a very special job for you.
Yeah, it always has to be him, isn't it? We never get special jobs.
I need you to go to the mines and get 4 trucks full of gold.
Yes, sir. I will do that willingly. And after that, all the engines went back to their work. In the evening, Toby went to the mines and collected his gold trucks. While coming, he took the mountain route. But the track there was uneven. It was a rough journey. One of the tracks was not fixed properly. Toby saw the track, but his crew did not. Hey, driver, look ahead! All the trucks had fallen on top of Toby.
Oh, that hurts.
After some time, the breakdown train arrived. It put all the trucks back on the rail and it put Toby on a flatbed so that Percy could pull him to the works. Percy pulled Toby to the works. After the job was done, Percy came back to the yard. Poor Toby, it was a shame that happened to him. None of us will do Toby's work. Now what will we do? We must ask for a new engine.
Yes, without an engine, we will not be able to do the work on our own.
We must ask for another engine from Sodor, said James. Yes, I totally agree with James.
You will agree with everything.
Just then, Mr. Track arrived in his car.
Hello, engines. I have just received the news that Toby has met with an accident.
So, what are we going to do now, sir?
I will order a new engine.
Oh, that will be just great.
Okay, now I have to get going.
After that, all the engines went back to work. The new engine was to come that evening, and all the engines decided to assemble at the docks to welcome him. At 6 o'clock in the evening, all the engines arrived at the docks. The ship they had all been waiting for arrived, and to their surprise, the new engine was Thomas. Look, it's Thomas.
Wilson, please put us on the wheels. I'm getting sick.
The crane lowered Thomas, Annie and Clarabelle. Thomas's first job on the railway was to pull a freight train. Hey, I am not going to pull that thing. I want to pull the express. You have to, Thomas. No, I will not. The director has asked you to pull the train. You have to pull that train. I said no. Yes, you have to pull that stubborn engine. You have to listen to us. You cannot do that. Enough! Thomas, I am not going to drive a stupid engine like you. I am going away. Thomas's driver went off in the car. Driver, don't leave me in this mess. Gone. And he left me like this. Percy, who was even skulking around the rails, saw Thomas and rushed to his aid. Oh, Thomas, why did you do that? You wait here. I'll get help. A few minutes later, Percy returned with the breakdown crane. Here we are. Now, George, will you please get to work and put Thomas back on the rails? Oh, who is this? Thomas looked up at the breakdown crane.
It's a monster. What? Which monster? Bye.
Where did he go?
Oh, George, I wish I could tell you if I knew, but I think he's got scared of you.